a reversal. Sorry, my voice will be breaking. Sorry. I was expecting to go up to this point to GBP to go up to this point before a reversal will happen downward. So let's keep watching. If you come down to 4 hours, you should be looking for buy that push it up to this side. There's no clear entry on 4 hours, only the market filled up this FVG we are having here before and stop here. So if you come down to 1 hour time frame, you see that market is reversing to fill up this FVG because it already gave a breakout structure here. To come down to respect this and we can find our buy up to this point and allow the market to move up to that point. We want it to move for the overall trend on daily time frame. So we should look for more of buys today on GBP JPY. Let's see how this buy goes. I already set my alarm on it, and if it comes to that zone, I will share it in the private group for us to take the trade. Let's see on the Euro USD. What are we expecting on Euro USD? If you check from the daily time frame, it seems Euro USD is supposed to sell down to this point, which is already respecting. So we have someone requesting to join. Let me accept it. Okay, on the if you check the Euro USD, you'll see it's already dropping down to this point, which we're already expecting it to drop on daily time frame. But if you come down to 4 hours, let's see if you can find a sell on there. There's no sell in 4 hours. On 1 hour, I captured this sell, but market did not reverse to this point. It just kept dropping. So let's see if it drops to this point. We can be looking for buy from here. The GBP USD from the daily time frame, what are we seeing from the daily time frame? From the daily time frame, market seems to be selling more of a sell, trying to sell down to this point or this point. So if you're selling that far, you should be looking for more sell on the trade. So on the 4 hours, there was no entry for sell. Only on the 1 hour, I found one entry for a sell. Market did not respect the other block. He missed entry on this. So there is nothing to sell for now. We just have to delete this and see how today goes in the market. So no pressure, just watch it go its way. AUDJPY on AUDJPY, daily time frame, it seems market has been buying the whole time, but we should expect more of a reversal a bit if it's going to happen. Okay, I guess there will be no reversal for now. It's going to be more of a buy papa. So let's be finding more breakout structure for buy. There's no breakout structure for now, so we just wait patiently and see what's happened during the day. NZD JPY for NZD JPY on the daily time frame. It seems market is just ranging at this point on the daily time frame. It came down to respect this and it kept buying. So should look for more buy to break the structure to the top. Let's see on the 4 hours if there is any sign for buy. The break of structure, your market never respected the other block. Let's see if it's going to come down to respect the other block before we start looking for buy. But due to the GBP JPY trend, it might not come that low before creating another break of structure for more buys to the top. Let's see on the Euro GBP, what are we seeing in the Euro GBP? On the 4 daily time frame, I did not take this trade, I just saw it yesterday, I just left it. Just want to see how it goes. It was yesterday was not a good day for the market, so taking trade yesterday would be like I'm gambling my profit out. So I'm gambling my capital. So let's see on the 4 hours. Seems market has been on a buy trend, uptrend all this time. So it came down to respect this other block and kept going to the top. On the 1 hour time frame, it's just pumping. So if anything might happen, it might stop here if it's going to go for sell. So just to be careful, you have to put TP here just to be very, very careful. On CAD JPY, what is CAD JPY saying? On CAD JPY daily time frame, it wants to break the structure, giving us kind of a W pattern, a big W pattern in daily time frame. That's going to be more of a buy. So let's see what 4 hours is saying. 4 hours is also on an uptrend. Had a break of structure here, but did not respect it. Also, the 1 hour is on an uptrend as well, but there's no clear break of structure here for an entry. Let's go to this GBP CHF. And GBP CHF, I had this analysis yesterday. How did I get the analysis? Let's go back to daily time frame and see what happened. It seems market has been on a downtrend the whole time. So coming back with a reversal to respect a point and keep selling was something we expected yesterday. So on the 4 hours, this is a break of structure. This is an FVG and this is the other block. So market is coming up to respect this before it keeps dumping to the downside. On the 1 hour, I found an entry break of structure, this FVG, and this is my entry from 5 minutes. So if market comes to this zone, we'll start selling down to this point just to stop here in case it chooses to respect this other block and change of character, because this is kind of a change of character to the upside. So if you come to this point and want to respect the other block, we're on the safe side. Instead of looking for the liquidity down, you can just take our profits and go home for that day. On the AUD USD on the daily time frame, since market wants to sell down to this point before it continues to buy. So let's see what's happening on the 4 hours. The 4 hours is a break of structure here, other block. So we should look for more of a sell to bring it down to that point we want. On the 1 hour, there is no sell happening for now. So let's just wait and see. So to go lower to 30 minutes. 30 minutes, you can see a break of structure here. If this candle completes now, this will be an FVG and this will be an order block. But I will not take this for now. Just wait because there's more weeks up here. So taking a sell from here doesn't sound good, but it's also a good entry as well since you are looking for more sells. Let's see what's happening when this candle closes. If it's going to leave this FVG open for us, that will be a good confidence to enter the trade. On AUD card, let's check the daily time frame. What's the daily time frame saying on AUD card? On AUD card, it seems markets did not give a good zone here because of this spike downward. This spike was as a result of the war between Iran and USA. So let's go to 4 hours and see. Remember, we're waiting for this trade last week, and I said it's going to come. It's going to be a good one for us if we took that trade. But sadly, it did not happen. So just wait for a new direction of the market, and it seems market is going to sell more. Going to sell according to the AUD USD. The same trend is happening here as well. The break of structure might happen here. This will be an FVG, and we'll keep selling. So let's see what happens today. The USD JPY, it seems it's trying to sell, buy up to this point. Yeah, trying to buy up to that point, and to start selling from here downward. So if it starts selling from there, we're going to look for a sell from this point. But for now, we should be watching out for more buy on USD JPY. It's a break of structure here, not a clear one. If you come down to 1 hour, you see a break of structure here, just similar to what happened in the GBP JPY. So it might come to respect this and pump up to respect the main overall order block up here. On USD card, what are we looking at on USD card? On USD card, daily time frame is just there's a break of structure here. Market seems to be going up to this point, so we should be searching for more buy on this point. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame, there is no break of structure for a buy yet. Just keep waiting. On the CHF JPY daily time frame, what are we looking out for? It seems like a break of structure. Your market came to respect this because of the spike from the news. It was a bit higher, so we'll go to 4 hours and see if it gave us a sell yet. Okay, on 4 hours, this is the order block it was meant to respect. And let's see 1 hour if it gave us a sell yet. There's no clear break of structure yet to sell. Just wait and see what happens for the day. Let's see what happens for the day. On Eurocard, what's happening on Eurocard? Eurocard, it seems market has been selling. Actually, it has been selling on 1 hour. On daily time frame, it has been selling. On the 4 hours as well, it has been selling. We should look for a sell from 1 hour. This should be the only sell we have here in this other block. And another sell here with this other block. This is more valid because of the FVG. Let's see what happens. Maybe during the day we'll still check on it to analyze it again because market has not given a sign of going up yet. On card CHF, what do we see here? In the daily time frame, we see more of a buy up to this point. So already respected this other block I wanted to be, but to give a break of structure here, which means it's going to come down to respect this other block on the daily time frame. If you check the 4 hours time frame, okay, there's a break of structure here, this other block. So market just kept buying. So we should expect a reversal. It gives us a break of structure from a change of character from here. We can look for a sell to sell it down to this point. Let's wait and see what happens. On was that the card CHF I just analyzed? Yeah, that's the card CHF. On the Euro CHF, what are we seeing on the Euro CHF? The Euro CHF, it seems on daily time frame, market has been selling, but a reversal just happened. Why did this reversal happen? There's no clear reason for it yet, so let's see what's going to happen. It's going to be a change of character. It's going to continue to the upside. Okay, just respected this other block here, but it's still ranging at the other block point. Let's go to 1 hour and see if it's created a wake up structure yet on the 1 hour after respecting the other block. There's actually no change of character yet, so we should just wait and see what happened during the day. On AUDCHF, AUDCHF daily time frame just seems to be going uptrend. Then this is wake up structure on 4 hours, and this is another block we'll be waiting for. On 1 hour, there's nothing yet for now, so we just keep waiting and see if it's going to go change of character that will push the trade down to that point. For now, let's keep watching. On the GBP AUD daily time frame seems there is going to be more of a sell. So if we come down to 4 hours, on the 4 hours it's showing no entry for now. On the 1 hour, we should look for something that will help us push it up to here, to sell it up, to buy it up to here before the sell continues. And there's no entry for now on that. Let's just be patient and see what happens during the day. On GBP card, the daily time frame, that was in the daily time frame, more of a sell on 4 hours. There is also more of a sell, but no entry for now, so we should just wait and see what happens during the day. On the 1 hour time frame as well, trying to give us a fake break of structure which is not valid, so we just leave this and see what happens. On NZD USD daily time frame, since market wants to sell to this point here, so before selling to this point there might be a reversal to pick this sell, boom, and start buying from here. Let's see what's happening on 4 hours. 4 hours giving us kind of reversal for buy. There's no reversal for buy yet, so let's just keep waiting and see what happens. Neither is a sell entry for us yet. Let's keep waiting. On the daily time frame for NZD-CHF, it seems market wants to sell down to this point, which did not happen. Actually, remember it was ranging in this box I drew last week, so it kept ranging. It only broke out a bit and came back to the box to keep ranging. I was waiting to expect another block at the top, which it has not respected. So let's see what happens during the day. If it comes up to respect the other block, then we can look for a sell on EUR JPY daily time frame. Daily time frame, it seems market has been buying. Once we expect this, after respecting this, we might look for a sell downward. So if we're looking for that, more of a buy should happen. On 4 hours, there's no entry to give us trigger this buy yet. So on 1 hour, there's no entry as well. AUD NZD, there's no entry on 1 hour as well. If you go to daily time frame to see what's happening, so market is on a buy trend, but likely to make a reversal for sell, and there's no entry for now. Also on the 1 hour, there's no entry for now. So on the NZD card, there's no entry on 1 hour as well. It has been on a sell the whole time. Daily time frame, no entry. 4 hours, no entry. The 1 hour as well, no entry. Let's just keep waiting and see what happens during the day. GBP NZD, remember this trade we took on Friday was still going our way. I still just left it open. It's supposed to be a long trade, but due to that day was Friday, so I just have to close it. So it's on its buy momentum. Let's see what happens later. If after taking out this structure, it's going to form a double structure for us. We will look for a trade on that. On Euro NZD, we had this analysis for a long time now, waiting for market to come respect this zone. It seems like a break of structure happened here, which is giving us likely of an order block from here, order block from this zone. If this happens to be an order block, there should be an FVG which is trying to fill out this FVG. Very little FVG we have here. This FVG here, market is trying to fill it out. This might be a trade we take today. Let's see what happens on 15 minutes. Is there any entry on 15 minutes? Let's go down to 5 minutes instead. and see what's happening there on 5 minutes. So on 5 minutes, we look out for this entry here, this other block here. It should be our other block. And if we come down to 1 hour, this is what we're going to do. Wait for market to come as high as this, then we start selling from this point. Start selling from this point. If markets come that high, and we sell up to this zone here, let's see, need my SL to be above it. This is 27 pips SL, and it's above this high here. So let's just watch out and see what happens. I'll set my alarm here. So if market comes to that zone, it's going to alert us and we set entry. We're going to have just a quick sell down to this point, and that will be all for maybe reduce it a bit, just give us 1 to 3. So we'll stop here. This one ratio 3. If it comes to this point, this liquidity to take it out, and that would be a good one for us. Take out this liquidity to give us our full TP. So let's see what happens. On the Euro AUD 1 hour, there's nothing for now. On daily time frame, there seems to be more of a sell. On 1 hour, on 4 hours, more sell. 1 hour has not given us any entry yet, so we'll just keep waiting to see what happens. On the USD CHF, USD CHF seems to be pumping the whole time. So let's see on the daily time frame what's happening. More of a buy, more buys on Euro, on USD CHF. Buy to this point before it starts selling. On the 4 hours, it seems to be buying. Then there's a bit of structure on this other block I wanted to respect. And on 1 hour, that's what you're still waiting for. If you see a change of character, you can look for sell to sell it down to that point. So that will be all for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for joining.